Hello and welcome again. This is our continuation of the VAT withholding. So we have our previous video. So if you have not checked it out, please check it and you will get more proper guidance and actually you'll know and be on track on where we are. So today I'm supposed to show you how do we download the template so that we can file the VAT withholding, particularly for taxpayers who have a lot of transactions. So you have to access your iTax portal, go to payment registration. So you click next, it will ask, do you want to proceed? You say okay. So tax head will be VAT. The tax subhead, we have the VAT withholding. The payment type is self-assessment, and we want to use the Excel upload. So in the Excel upload, we have a place now we can be able to download the VAT withholding payment Excel sheet. So we click there. So we can now go to and open the download the Excel that we have just downloaded so that we see the data that we need to key in. Now we have downloaded our VAT withholding template. So we want to maneuver around it and see how it is. And what I can say is that it's very easy. So remember, in all KRA's template, you have to ensure that the version that you're using is the most updated, because they keep on being updated from time to time. And the moment you're using an outdated version, it will not accept, or it will bring some errors when you're trying to upload. So this VAT withholding template is very easy. We only have got two sheets. The first one has the basic information, and the next one is what is where we feed in the VAT withholding details. So in the basic information, what we just need to feed in is the personal identification number. Everything else, it is fed. Then we come to the VAT withholding details, which is the next sheet. And in this next sheet, we have the first column, we have the PIN of the withholding, the invoice number, invoice date, invoice amount, and the payment date to supplier. So if you do not have a lot of data, then you can just key in one by one. But if you have a lot of data, meaning that you cannot just go entry by entry, then there is a simple way. And the simple way is to import a CSV. So you'll work your data in the Excel. I'm going to show you how. Arrange the columns as they are here. The rest from column F, just leave them blank. So I have an Excel which I had prepared here. And as you can see, I've arranged it as it is there. We have the first one. It has the PIN of the supplier, the invoice number, invoice date, the amount, and the payment date. So just remember, these are just random numbers. So I have several entries there. I have like 244 entries. So I'm going to close this. And remember, your Excel has to be a CSV. So here it is. I open. So the moment you select it, it feeds in all the data that you had in the Excel. And now the grid area is whereby it indicates the withholding VAT rate, the withholding VAT amount per invoice. So remember, when we are uploading, you upload it as a lump sum, all these transactions. But after it has been uploaded and the payment has been paid, you'll get a VAT withholding certificate per each entry. We're going to see an example. So you see all that data just with a click, in a click of a button, you get everything in one place. And now we have the total VAT payable. So once you do that, you validate your data. If your data has any errors, it's going to tell you. If it does not have any errors, then you will get like this message that your sheets are ready to be uploaded. So then after that, you generate an upload file. So once you have that upload file, where do you go? So let's go back to the iTax portal. So after we have validated our Excel, so here is whereby we have to select and choose the file that you have validated. So once you have selected the file, just indicate the mode of payment. Is it other payment mode or is it yes? Then after that, you submit. So possibly you might be using the web form and you will not need to have or upload this Excel. So if you're using a web form, you just come here, say that you're using a web form. So here you select the web form and it's going to bring you to this other section. And in case you have any unpaid taxes, they'll appear here below with the tax period, whether it's particularly the penalties, the interest, and the fines, they will appear here. So you feed in the withholding PIN, so automatically the name of the withholding will appear, the invoice number, the invoice date, the payment date, and the invoice amount, which is exclusive of VAT, then you add. So after you have done that, then again, you'll have the total amount to be paid and you select your mode of payment. So that is an easy way on how you can be able to file your VAT withholding. So thank you. And once again, please hit the subscribe button.